guys, thought I would share an unboxing with you that I just got from Herbalife Nutrition. Side note, does anyone else get a kick out of the fact that even the tape is green? I do. I think it's super fun. So let's see what's in today's box. So I just got back from the gym, and you might be asking, what do I really? And some of you may know there is something that would do a body good. Side note, if you didn't know, Herbalife does a body good. Pass it on. 55 pounds gone forever. Disclaimer, average person loses a half a pound to a pound a week. 40 years young, just saying. So, back to what I was saying. There's something that we need to enhance and retain our muscles. You may have heard of them, BCAAs, branch chain amino acids, and Herbalife just released its own BCAAs, apple flavor. I am super excited to try these. They're so cute, they're so little. Aren't they so cute? So I got some BCAAs. I got some CR7. So if you didn't know, Cristiano Renaldo, the #1 soccer player in the world, yes, is one of our athletes, and he formulated a product with Herbalife Nutrition. Isn't that amazing? Side note, I'm filming this in the lobby of our apartments because I didn't want to get home and forget about it. I would say BCAAs again. Bev Mix, which is one of my OG original favorites since 2013, 15 grams of protein, add water, it's adult Kool-Aid. Oh my God, so much goodness. These, you guys, if you haven't tried these, you have not lived. They come in chocolate brownie and in chocolate chip cookie and 20 grams of pure protein. Tip, if you haven't done this already, shout out to Hard Body Princess Annie for giving this tip. Stick them in the microwave without the wrapper. Let's not set the microwave on fire for a minute. And you guys, they taste like a legit brownie without all the sugar. So we've got that, and then dun, 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 again, taking up results to the next level. The lighting's kind of off on this, but some of you may know, this is a 7-day pack of Prolesso Duo, which helps with decreasing body fat, among other benefits too. So there you have it. There's today's unboxing. Feel free to comment below. Feel free to send a message. Feel free to head on over to fitlifecreation.com freebies and go to the meal plan builder. Once you register, you can get a free meal plan, supplement plan, and workout plan to help you jumpstart your transformation. Chat soon.